that's it. So let's get into some more of the desk setup process. Alright, so we're getting pretty well finished up with placing all the items on the desk, and now that we have all these cables down there that we have to manage, might as well put in one of these Ikea Signum racks, and we're gonna just install it to the bottom of the desk, and hopefully it will look pretty cool, and as well cable manage this setup really well. So let's get to doing that. Alright, so this is it. This is the desk setup. This is the whole entire thing. I've got the power switches all turned on. We got stuff going. So without further ado, let's power it on. That looks sweet. I love this setup. It looks so great. Everything just is amazing. The whole entire color scheme of everything as well works so well. I'm gonna make my keyboard, keypad, and mouse all red, get a red wallpaper, and just basically make it a whole white, black, and red type of themed setup with, of course, some add-ons. But this is it. So thank you guys for watching this whole entire desk setup video series and whatnot. And of course, there was a lot of items covered in this video. So if you do have any questions, leave a comment down below. Though we will have a lot of the items, if not all the items that we have used in this desk setup down in the description. So that can be used as a resource for you guys. So again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you already haven't to my channel. I do video reviews, tech reviews, gameplays, and whatnot. Basically whatever I'm interested at the time in making a video about. And as well, please like the video if you enjoyed it. And I guess that's it for now, and we'll see you with more videos in the future.